What's good, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ishamoywilliams if it's your first time here, and for today's video we're gonna be talking about the feminine parts. Now let's begin with the fact that everybody's raving about hot girl summer and all of that shit, but are you really a hot girl if you're not, taking care of your lady parts? So that's what this video is focused on. Basically, a really good company that you can invest in or check out to basically get your lady parts in check for the summer, so you don't be smelling stank in in wherever you go. So if you'd be interested in, just finding out a really good company to keep your feminine parts in check, then just keep on watching this video. Alright, so the name of the company that I'm going to be featuring today is called Sweet Cookie Wash. I have two products from them. I have the Cookie Wash. This is in the lavender scent. It's the all-natural feminine wash, and I also have their feminine spray for sensitive cookies. Now basically how this works is that the feminine wash, as it says, all natural products, because nobody wants to get synthetic products and really processed shit on their coochie. So this stuff is basically like soap, but specifically for the vagina. So it's a foaming cleansing wash, meaning that when you pump it out, well, it's literally like a foaming cleanser, and it feels really good on the body. I can't lie about that. So you can use this every day instead of like getting other products down there and it's gonna burn and all of that stuff. However, for this scent specifically, when I first used it, it did burn a lot. Well, not a lot, but I just shaved and stuff and it did burn the first time that I used it. After a couple of uses, I didn't experience any burning or anything like that. So this is my go-to. I use this every single day non-stop, because it's just like, I don't know, it's just like a spa set just specifically for your lady parts, which is really cool. And then because of the burning, the company did send me their feminine spray. This is for sensitive cookies. So if you try the cookie wash and it burns more than the one time, I think it only burned because I just shaved and then used it the same day, because I was giving myself like a little, I don't know, a pamper session. Yeah, I think that's what I would call it, like a pamper session, and it burned. And when you're using the cookie wash or any feminine products to be exact, it's not supposed to go in the vagina. It's just to let me tell you what it says. External use only. Press foam pump to dispense wash. Apply wash on vulva and rub thoroughly. Rinse off with water and pat dry. Maybe use daily. Discontinue use if any irritation occurs. No, I didn't discontinue use because I just knew that, I just felt like it's not that I had a sensitive cookie per se. I just feel like there were other reasons why it was burning, and I was correct, because it works now and I don't have any burning. So you want to make sure it stays on the vulva. You don't want to get the cookie wash inside, because that's obviously gonna burn. Also, they have other scents, by the way. I got the lavender scent, but they have, I'm not remembering what the pink one is, but they have another scent, but I love the lavender. Now for the feminine spray, this one I don't use as much as the cookie wash. This is like, how would I describe this? This is something that you can put in your travel bag if you're on the go. You can use this after peeing. You can use this just, whenever. This is just something that you use on the go. You just throw it in your bag. I always have it in my bag, but I always use the cookie wash in the mornings, or when I shower. So I don't really use this as much. As you guys can probably see, the bottle is still full, but this, I'm almost out and I need like cookie wash. What's happening? I need like a top up or something. But yeah, I really love the cookie wash. By the way, like when you order, they do have like these cards that tell you what you can use for specific problems. So if you have a yeast infection or like fishy odor, you can use the cookie restore. I don't have that here. they have the cookie oil, they do like vaginal steams. That shit is bomb. I did one at home, well, not with their herbs, but I can tell you like steaming overall, that's good. Also, yeah, for the cookie wash, I can vouch for this. Pregnant ladies can use this. I did ask about the cookie wash. I think the only thing they can't use is the cookie restore, but everything else, because it's natural products, it's safe, you know, you're not gonna insert it, you can actually use it if you're pregnant. So that's a good thing to know. And you can also ask them for like the cards to tell you what exactly each product can be used for, because yeah, that really helps. I'm not gonna lie, I really do recommend the cookie wash. The company itself is Jamaican. I'm Jamaican, if you guys know, so I definitely wanted to try this out for a very long time. I know for the sweet cookie wash, this is my favorite product. I hope you guys can see that. I know this is for $20. I'm not exactly sure how much the feminine spray is for. In regards to like the scents, this has a lavender scent. I can't quite put my finger on what this smells like because it's 100% natural. Let me see if I can show you guys. It's 100% natural, so it doesn't really have a scent. But yeah, the cookie wash is heavenly. It's like a spa date for your feminine parts. So recently I know they've been adding to their line, so like separate and apart from all of these products that they have fresh cookie spray, steam herbs, yoni eggs, bikini batter, cookie oil, cookie restore, cookie wash, and then the fresh cookie spray. Then I know that they're definitely like going into sanitary napkins, so that's definitely something that I want to try, because I have heard that the sanitary napkins that are on the market, or most of them, aren't really safe for us. So I definitely want to try out one of the ones from Sweet Cookie Jar, because I'm all for, you know, all natural and all that good stuff. So I also have like a discount link, so it's gonna be listed in the description box. So if you guys are interested in getting your hot girl summer correct and coming correct and smelling good, because we don't want nobody stinking out here this summer, so definitely check out cookiewash.com. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed, you know, the little tips and all that good stuff, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.